everyone, so today we're in the fun and vibrant town of Fullerton. Now what I love about Fullerton is they have so many cool shops and restaurants and fun things to do here in the downtown. But we just got one of our amazing clients into escrow on a property in Fullerton. And here's a fun fact before we check out the house. Fullerton is only second to one out of all the smartest communities in the entire state. Irvine's number one, Fullerton's number two. How impressive. Let's go check out the house. So from all the cool shops and restaurants in downtown Fullerton to the gently rolling hills of so many of these spectacular neighborhoods. Now this house behind us is a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. We just got our clients into escrow on this property. It's listed at $1,350,000. They're so excited to make this their new home. We're in the inspection process, and one thing great about this home and this neighborhood actually is the award-winning schools. Let's take a look.